now I'm in Circle K for a quick minute. And of course, my hiccup starts and they're weird sounding. So let's give this a try. Well, well, well. Oh, okay, slushy. It is.
I don't know what kind they want. Oh well. I guess she just gets whatever I get her.
Oh! Pretty excited for slushy empire. Oh, Liz. Oh! Okay, where's the straw? Pretty interesting stuff, okay? Not many people still can handle it, so.
They instantly looked at you. Like they
No!
You're like, that's okay.
Oh! Oh yeah, this is more funner than no frills right now. Oh! I'm going to cash. Oh! Well, they're getting pretty loud and squeaky.
Oh well. Can't help what you can't help.
I know.
Oh god. What? There's banana. You see? Oh my god, there's banana candies.
Oh, I was gonna go grab it. Yeah.
Banana candy.
Just waiting for to pay our merchandise.
She likes her session.
Well, you got her multi-flavor. She should.
Well, I hope so.
Oh, I had the double one before, but now took me a while to eat it too.
I still have enough to order my meat, so I don't have to pull up time. Can I get a bucket?
Yeah.
For the soap?
Thank you. That's nice and cold. Oh!
Yeah. Thanks.
All right, let's go. So that was our little pit stop at Circle K for a little bit of, snacks, munchies. Hold on a second. Until next time, I hope you enjoy this little bit of a spoiler since I didn't expect to make a second video. Peace out. Have a great day, guys.